Alright, we're back. Now we're back to this thing. Everything seems like it wants to go up now. Volume is going crazy on everything. Bro, what's up with Bird? Like, CDT? Okay, really? Come on, come on, come on. Give me a chance to fight back. Fight back. Fight back. Why is so this is a recent reverse split. I don't even know what it's doing. But I'm gonna be patient and wait. Okay. This is a pullback right here. Okay, bruh. Okay, yeah. Okay, just keep going down. Yeah, just keep going down, bruh. Bruh, what? Was the news that bad? People really hated it. Now we got ONFO. Nasty pullbacks. I'm ready for this stock MISE for open. I'm ready. I'm waiting. I do think this is gonna be one of the best ones.
My name is Vinny Patel.
We have got to the point where literally anybody can build a fully working app without knowing how to code.
So I'm being patient, waiting. Could get in right here. I don't think it's a bad idea either, if I'm being quite honest. And just holding the position since it looks like it's gonna go higher and higher. But I'll be patient and wait. So let's just wait and see what it wants to do. I feel like it's stair stepping down, honestly. So I'm kind of just being patient and waiting. What is this? Whoa, 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 whoa. What is wrong with my chart? Why do I have the 200 EMA? I don't even know why the 200 EMA was right there now that I notice. On the 1 minute, that was weird. But now it's gone. It was kind of weird. We'll see what this stock wants to do. ONFO keeps popping up. So let's look at the scanner. The scanner's hot. Scanner's good. WSHP I don't like. ONFO I don't like. I did a rejection. Caps is not a bad idea for the break through this, but it's shortable, so I don't like. AGAAE don't like. Don't like. ATXG it's alright. RECT don't like. So every stock has news. So WSHP, this would be a micro pullback right here for a move higher on the 5 minute. So this is a 5-minute entry. It's not looking strong, it's not looking good. Damn, this stock, MYSE, starting to do people dirty, and I see it. And I don't see green, I don't see green. I'm not gonna buy here, I don't see green. Someone's definitely filling up their position though right here. But you see there's more selling. Can it hold 5? Should it be a buyer at 5? Good questions, good questions. I don't want to be a buyer at 5. But those topping tails do look good. This stock, ONFO, it really is a decent, good setup, but it's shortable. It's such a shame it's shortable because the setup on the daily is perfect. Not perfect, but it's really good. There we go. Now you're starting to get that move on ONFO. I'll take a small trade on it. Not if it's just gonna drop 10 cents like that, bruh. Dude, NYSE don't want to break 5. ONFO don't want to break 140 again. So we have a lot of things that are signs of resistance. And I'm not gonna lie, NYSE headline, the news is kind of bad because it's like copying the other stock, the bird with the AI. $145, the breakthrough 150, 150, 150. Yeah, these. Bro, why does it say my order size is exceeded? Damn, I think I sent so many emails that they got bored of me. They said, alright, bro, this guy sends us like an email each minute. I would have took that break though, the breakthrough 150. I need my max share size to be increased before market opens. So hopefully they do it. 160. The shorts are gonna get squeezed. Honestly, they're gonna get out of here. All the way to 195. KTXG. The stock popped up not too long ago. Don't know if it's gonna go higher than that. I see the setup though. The setup was the breakthrough 791. And now it's fading. 746. Would I buy something like this? No, it's no news. Recent reverse split. EMA is at 200, which is at 8. Some people might trade it. I mean, I don't like it at all. So, I'm just gonna wait. ONFO starting to go back up. I'm still waiting on MYSE because I like MYSE. But decreasing volume on MYSE. It looks like it's going to be a false breakout right here for 5. So. Wait. Is this it? Okay, I'm not trying to buy at the top, bruh. That's the last thing I'm trying to do. Okay, pull back. Can I get a pullback? Dude, why aren't... What? Bruh, I think I hit my max share size. I'm just send her an email because looks like it's gonna pop right here. I'm calling it. Decreasing volume. What makes it more risky, but if it can pop up 17 BTOG. pop up and then drop. Yeah, that stock. No way people are actually buying the stock. Boggles my mind. People actually bought the setup and now they're probably down hella money. So, yeah. Wait. It's not that bad. But people aren't buying it no more. It's more selling going through. BTOG. I mean, we can just look at it, but look at the 1 minute. There's no news on it. It's Chinese. There's just people trying to get money. Sadly, this setup might work. Just because it has AI in it, bro. Right there, if it breaks 46, so a big buyer would be probably like 546. 540. Kind of need to wait for that level to hit. 546 is critical. Buy right there. Wait, huge seller. Hold on. Hold on. Break 450. There you go. 447. 447. There's that nice 50-cent pop. What more do you want? That 50-cent pop? It's perfect. Let's see if it breaks that 6. Six. Needs to break 6. Oh, they just released some news. I think that's bad. Yeah, that's bad. Yeah, that's bad. That's bad. Need to take a look at my what's it called? Dash Trader. Want to see if I can raise my share size. I want to trade a bit more since it's a hot market. Oh, I just got logged off, but it's okay. I'll log back in. I just want to see if I can change. It's kind of risky up here. Doesn't really tell me my. Doesn't seem like I can change it. I sent him an email though. Look. There we go. Back in it. We're back in it. We're back in it. We're back in it. We're back in it. Auto fit. Stock just tanked. Am I? Damn, what happened? I want to see. ONFO. AG80. Doesn't look too bad to set up AG80, but you have the 200 EMA right here at 65, so did close above it, but it still has this candle has to close since it wasn't a full close. Okay, they removed my share size. Now we have to think smart. Can't just be buying everything. So I will most likely wait for the market open. NYSE starting to pop up, which is what we like. Do like this stock a lot. Okay, this is the resistant level right here. Trying to be patient, wait for clear entry. So let's see what we have on the 5 minute, because this can be our leading gainer and going. And I'm gonna start marking out everything. 593 right here. It is going higher. I'll take a position right there. 541. Looking for that move higher. Looking for 550. It's going lower. Pretty bad on the 1 minute. Kind of want to wait for a pullback around here. It's a double bottom right there. If it breaks this level below that, it just engulfed it. Yeah, that's a sell. Fuck that, bruh. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go pee. That's a good pop for the breakover. Did make it go a bit higher. BTOG did go a bit higher, so might break through this level, but is the setup really clean? Not really. Will it break over? I don't think so. Oh. Gotta keep these losses tight. Even if I'm churning commissions, I'm not gonna let something drop 50 cents just for me to come back in and buy it. So I'm really just waiting for the market open. It's truly what I'm waiting for. BTOG might break right here. Needs to break 5. Huge seller at 5. I think it's risky. The setup isn't clean enough. It tipped it and it dipped. And it's below MACD. So let's just be patient, wait, be calm. Kind of needed to stay above 506. So we kind of want to see 510 and then it pull away if it wants to pull away. Stream is still good. Max share size, I'm gonna close that tab. volume on the 1 minute's kind of bad, and on the 5 minutes, so I'm gonna be patient and wait. BTOG. BTOG starting to reverse. Fall down. Wait, that's a bottoming tail. This might end up actually not too bad. Big bid right there, 74. No one's really buying. No green on the tape. Starting to see a bit more green right there, 78. 519 though on this stock. Sorry, I was looking at BTOG. Saw a big bid go up there. Really debating if I should buy right here. I think it's pretty obvious where the stock wants to go. At least I think it's obvious. I do see the vision, but doesn't really pull away. It goes up higher, but doesn't really, I don't see that resolution. On the 5 minute, I see where it wants to go. The 1 minute's like all choppy though. It's like, doesn't know if it wants to go up or down, or it's just sideways. So we'll see. If I see a big bid pop up around here, I'm in it for the break. Like it just stays around 480, then goes to 475, then pops right back up. That's why I believe there's some sort of buyer and a seller. There, it's fading. It's probably gonna fall. Probably it's most likely gonna fall right here. So that's out the picture right now. ONFO? No. Trying to keep my profit, not lose it. Hidden seller. Yeah, it's obvious. They're getting pushed down. Everyone's got to get out of their position right there. Could buy BTOG at 550, but I'd rather just wait. I'm not confident in it. I'm gonna use WSHP to see attention, to see if this stock starts to rise. I know attention will be gone from MYSE, so that's what I'm anticipating. Maybe we get a dip to 477, or and then we get a rip. That's maybe I'm concluding. So go away. BTOG. Think we know what stock is obvious. You can get conclusion to what might pop up. WSHP has a chance. ONFO for it to get above VWAP is going to be hard since they're short sellers. BTOG, along with that, it's below VWAP. CAPS is also below VWAP. AGAE is around VWAP. I think it's going to fade off into the open. CDND, low volume. WSHP, MYSE are the two obvious stocks at the open as of right now. One of those is most likely going to fall or rise. I believe MYSE is going to be the one that makes a newer high. I think WSHP is too expensive for a lot of traders with small accounts to take a large position on. That's my conclusion. That's the big one. The volume isn't as easy to get in and out. You're buying, the spread is really big. At least on MYSE, the price is lower. Even though the float's a bit higher, the volume's there. And that's what makes WSHP such a bad. It's not bad right now, but I don't think it's going to go up on market open. I think a lot of people are going to be looking at MYSE. And I mean, I see this hedge starting to form, especially on the 5-minute ABCD pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like it's getting squeezed down. NYSE looks like it's just getting squeezed down. It doesn't look strong, if I'm being quite honest. Along with WSCSHP. Botog just made a new low. Now it's trying to hit resistance level up here. But we have so many resistance levels that this stock is going to have to make a clean setup for it to move higher. And look, if it doesn't make a good setup, we can't see it, it's not obvious, then we're not going to take the trade, obviously. But if we see it, it's obvious. If it breaks 530 right here, what we're looking for is to break through 530, if we're being honest right now. Looks like it doesn't want to break. I'm in there at 531 for the break. You see how we got so many sellers? I'm still holding my position because I'm in it, right? I got a good entry on it. Doesn't mean it can't reverse on me though. But this is an early entry. So this is going to bring my max share size down if it starts to pop up right here, and then on market open it goes higher. So I'm buying into the market open, and if I get stopped out right here, then I get stopped out. But I'm looking and anticipating for that pull away, for it to start to want to pull away. And I'm fine with holding. If we can break over this last resistance level, I'll double down. 450 is what I'm looking for. Actually, a better position would be waiting for market open and seeing what happens. So I'm willing to wait and see what happens around here. Being patient, waiting. There you go, I doubled on my position right there. I like how it's pulling away. Took half right there. Looking for a move higher. Damn, that was a bad candle. Could we do a dip trade around here? Keep trading it? We could. We honestly could, but that candle doesn't look right to me. So, I think we ended pretty strong today. Really strong. Last trade, good trade. Solid, called it. I think it's gonna fall over, honestly, and I don't feel comfortable taking a trade right here. I think a lot of people are taking profit, you know. So still has a chance to pop up, but it's still pretty good, strong around this level. I just don't think we're going to get the parabolic move that we got yesterday. WSHP looks like it's popping up. People rather trade that than MYSE. I guess they like that stock more. That's a false breakout though. I just did a false breakout. Hopefully it stays and halts up for WSHP. and it looks like it's gonna go into a false break. There you go. Halted up. I think attention's gonna start to switch to MYSE. So I'm gonna look for a dip, honestly, on this stock. Yes, fall. Right there. I'm a buyer at 483. Okay, yeah. It's not pulling away. I guess 450 would have been a better entry. Yeah, that was a big drop. Alright, last trade. I'm done for today. That's fine. Four dash 625. That's another green day. Great green day. Progress is immaculate today. Seems like I couldn't break that $300 profit level. That's fine. I mean, I'm not gonna complain about a green day. So yeah, that's it for today. MYSHP looks like it's gonna halt lower, so it's gonna halt down from the looks of it, since we can see what it's listed at. I mean, this stock's really volatile. It's a risky setup. I mean, I would have broke even around this level, but it's okay. Alright.